Adding text to your video is a great way to make your videos more dynamic or add additional information for viewers. And Vimeo's video editor makes it easy. Here's how. First, navigate to the video editor and add your text. Then, customize it. And lastly, adjust the timing in your video. Alright, first let's navigate to the video editor so we can add your text. Select the video in your video library to enter the video's settings page. Hit edit, and then editor. Now you're in the right place. When it comes to adding text, you can start in one of two ways. Either you can start with a template, or you can add text from scratch. To start with a template, like for title cards or lower thirds, hit Templates, and then browse through the options. When you find one you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. If there are elements you don't need, like a background image, that's no problem. Just click on those unnecessary elements in your canvas and hit delete, leaving just the text you need. We'll touch on how to customize it in step 2. To create text from scratch, click the text button on the left-hand side of the editor. Choose one of the preset text sizes, title, headline, subheadline, or caption, or click Add Text to start from scratch. No matter which option you choose, you'll end up in the same place. Go ahead and type your text into the box. As you do, the text will appear in your canvas to the right. Now that you've got your text on the canvas, it's time to customize it. You can change the font. Choose from Vimeo's library of built-in fonts. Any fonts you've already used in the project will appear at the top of the menu, so you can keep things consistent throughout your video. And if you're on a standard plan or up, you have easy access to your company's brand font if it's already been uploaded to your account. To upload a new font, hit the Upload button. Adjust the text size. Decide on what color it should be. Enter a custom hex code, or choose any color with the color picker. As long as you're on a standard Vimeo plan or up, your brand colors will be available here for easy access if they've been loaded into the editor under your brand settings. If you haven't set your brand settings yet, you can choose your favorite color palette from the color panel, and those will load right up when you go to choose a color. The fill option adds a color behind your text as a background. Make sure to bump up the opacity to see its effect in the canvas. And highlight color will apply a different color to specific words or phrases within your text. Choose a color, and then highlight the piece of text you want to stand out, and then hit Highlight. You can align your text left, center, or right. Text alignment is much more noticeable if you're customizing text that has a line break in it. Drop shadow. This adds a subtle dark backing behind each letter to make them stand out. You've got a few strengths to choose from depending on how much separation you want between your text and the background. And you can choose from a bunch of different animations that dictate how your text appears on screen, such as typewriter, fade, slide, and more. Some animations are pretty straightforward, like typewriter, which brings on letters one at a time, whereas others offer additional customization options, like whether to animate the whole text all at once, animate it line by line, word by word, or character by character. Alright, now that your text is customized how you want it, it's time to adjust its timing in the video. To do that, you'll use the drag and drop timeline. When you first added your text, it was added at the point where your needle was in the timeline. But of course, that's not set in stone. You can change the timing by either dragging and dropping the clip where you want it, or clicking and dragging the beginning or end of the clip itself. If you want multiple text clips on screen at the same time, you can layer them one on top of the other. Alright, that's it. You're ready to start adding text to your videos.